Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing alright. My name is Santiago Betancourt. I am a foreign languages teacher. Also, I am a polyglot and a tourist guide. And I don't know if you have seen the news, but here in Colombia, we had a massive and huge earthquake, 7.4, and it hit really bad Colombia. Everything started, or the center of this was in Chocó, but also affected other departments like Risaralda, Caldas, Valle del Cauca. Currently, I live in Pereira. Now I'm living in Dos Quebradas, which is a small municipality of Risaralda. I was living in the capital city of Risaralda, which is Pereira. I was living downtown, but I had to leave the place, the building I was in, because after the earthquake, it ended up really in a bad condition. So I had to leave the place. Now I cannot go back, and I had to, all my stuff, my belongings, and important things in there. Thank God I managed to leave the place, and I am safe and sound. I am not sick. I am not injured. I thank God for that. But all the things I had, they have to stay in there. I mean, I had to leave them in there because I cannot return anymore. The building is it's been like categorized as that is going to collapse, and we don't know when. But the government categorized it as that, and well, I cannot return to my previous life. So I also create content on YouTube, and I decided to create this video to let people know a little bit about my story. And I'm trying to rebuild everything I had created for the past 6 months while I was living downtown. And since I cannot return to that, the best thing to do is to rebuild my life and my future, and yeah, and try to help people the best way I can through teaching them different languages. That this is what I do. So with your support, as an exchange, I also write books, learning languages guides, and also I create content for my students, the students I have now and future students, about learning different languages. So if you feel that can support you or help you somehow learn languages, you can like check it out, what I do and the content I create on YouTube. And also in exchange for your support, we'll find our way to send you one of my learning guides. You know, the learning guides I create, they are in written in Spanish. Well, it could be like a symbolic way of thanking you for supporting me, and also my loved ones. So that's it, everybody. I hope you get to have an amazing rest of your day. And this is bye for now. Cheers.